In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage changes in Smartsheet, version tracking 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your activity history and how to use it to understand, audit, and manage updates on any sheet. Start by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. Any modern browser will work, but using the latest version helps the app load quickly and keeps everything secure. If you're already signed in, Smartsheet will take you straight to your home screen. If you're prompted to log in, do that now. You can sign in with your company's single sign-on or with your regular Smartsheet credentials. Keep this part simple and secure and avoid sharing login details with anyone. After you're in, you'll land on your home. This is the central hub where you can see your work at a glance. On the left, you'll find your workspaces and sheets. In the main area, Smartsheet often shows suggested items and all workspaces, which is handy if you jump between projects. Choose a workspace that contains the sheet you want to track. Open the sheet you're interested in auditing. If you're unsure which one to start with, look for the sheet where changes tend to happen frequently, like project trackers or intake logs. With the sheet open, look to the right side panel. You'll see a set of icons for things like conversations, attachments, and more. Click the activity log icon to open the recent activity for this sheet. If you don't see it, make sure you have the right permissions for the sheet and that your plan includes activity log access. Inside the activity log, you'll see a chronological list of what changed, who made the change, and when it happened. Use the filters to narrow down by date range, user, or action type, so you can focus on exactly what you need. Sorting by most recent is helpful when you're investigating a change that just occurred. Click into an entry to view more detail, including the before and after values when available. If you discover an unintended edit, navigate to the referenced row or cell in the sheet and restore the correct value. For cell level detail, you can also open the cell's history to confirm previous values before you revert. This keeps your corrections accurate and auditable. If you need a record outside Smartsheet, look for the export option within the activity log to save a copy. As a best practice, review the log regularly, especially after large updates or imports, and coordinate with collaborators so changes are intentional and visible. That's it. Now you can confidently track and manage changes in Smartsheet using the activity log.